Excel SYD function. This function calculates the sum of years digits depreciation of an asset for a specified period. The syntax is SYD with parameters cost, salvage, life, and per. There are 4 arguments: cost, the initial cost of the asset; salvage, the value at the end of depreciation; life, the number of depreciation periods; and per, the specific period for which you want the depreciation amount. Here's an example. We have an asset that costs $300,000 with a salvage value of $75,000 and a useful life of 10 years. For year 1, the formula SYD of B2, B3, B4, 1 returns $40,909. For year 10, SYD of B2, B3, B4, 10 returns just $4,091. The SYD function returns $40,909 for year 1. This is the highest depreciation amount because the sum of years digits method front-loads depreciation into the earlier periods. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when any argument is non-numeric. A num error occurs when salvage is less than 0, life is less than or equal to 0, per is less than or equal to 0, or per is greater than life. Key points to remember. SYD uses the sum of years digits method, which gives higher depreciation in earlier years and lower depreciation in later years. The formula is cost minus salvage times life minus per plus 1 times 2 divided by life times life plus 1. Compare it with SLN for straight line, DB for declining balance, and DDB for double declining balance depreciation. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.